Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate BookingPress with AffiliatePress. Now, go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable BookingPress integration and its other options. AffiliatePress provides a reject commission on refund. After setting all options, then click the Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then goes to the BookingPress Book an Appointment page. Now book your appointment. Enter the basic details and click to Summary button. Select the payment method and confirm your appointment details. After that, click to Book Appointment button. This is the BookingPress Appointment Booked Successfully page. Go to the AffiliatePress Commission page. This is the AffiliatePress Commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first record is BookingPress Vinyasa Yoga Appointment Commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab and see your commission record. Affiliate User also sets Disable Commission on a service-wise basis. Go to the BookingPress Services page. This is the BookingPress Services page. Add new service, otherwise edit existing service. Go to the bottom side and see the AffiliatePress Settings option. Enable this option and disable commission in this service. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.